2,000 skaters. That is over 2,000 skaters in Abuja.
The first time I ever mounted in my life.
Skating makes me feel free and confident. I've been dreaming of skating since I was a kid.
Roller skating is a recreational and competitive sport in Nigeria that intrigues young enthusiasts to become professionals. It is one of the major games that attracts sport lovers all over the city of Abuja. At the Jabi Park, we saw roller enthusiasts who have been upskilled to become professionals in the game.
Some steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kenna? That means I want to reach here after 5 steps. Okay? After 5 steps, you are going to reach this place. Set, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You didn't reach here. Squat.
I tried it!
No, you don't go. You sprint. Okay?
They also engage in competitions, road shows, and skill display.
With awards and special recognitions from the Unity Skaters Club of Abuja and several other sporting bodies, these skating clubs continually reaches for the stars while displaying professionalism in the game of skating. We were thrilled with amazing display by various team members as we met kids as young as 2 years old displaying exceptional skating skills. The coach of the club, Mr. Idris Usman, was also there to host us and tell us more about their processes as well as their plans for the skating community.
My name is Coach Idris Usman. I'm the founder of Heart of the Nation Roller Sport Abuja and the head coach of Heart of the Nation Roller Sport. Heart of the Nation Roller Sport now is 6 years. I'm skating now 15 years.
Wow.
Yes, I've been dreaming of skating since I was a kid. Skating makes me feel free and confident.
I like skating because it's really fun when you glide like this. And you can learn tricks, you can learn jumps, you can learn how to bend down. Skating was the first time I ever mounted in my life.
Now, these 2,000 skaters, we, the coaches in Abuja, we are trying our possible best to see that we move the young people out of the streets for them to commit anything bad. If you look at, you will see many adults here are training. We pay them. They have small money so that they cannot go to the streets and commit anything bad. So, and another thing again, roller sport is a kind of game that make a child, even when a child is stubborn at home, once you put him in roller sport, by the time that you say, I will not take you to training, you will make sure that you do that. So we are praying to government that they should come, this youth that are on street, let them come and put hand so that we can remove this youth in the streets and to promote them.
Skating is a free and a great sport. Even if you fall, you can still get up again. Keep trying.
Jumps will be high, but I have to be careful. I can bend down, I can glide, I can squat myself and fall down. But I know what the real deal is. Real deal is with my coach. He's the greatest coach ever. He's the one that's teaching me how to do awesome tricks. For those who don't know how to skate and they want to learn to skate and they are scared, just say that they are a winner and they should never give up on their dreams.
Though we had some fun with the Heart of the Nation roller sports skaters, do not forget that there are several other sporting and fun activities you can engage in at the Jabi Park. If you've been to the park, you will agree with me that this is the most fascinating sport ever. Have you been to the park before? If yes, then tell us what you think in the comment section. See you in the next video.
For more of Nigeria's finest tourist attractions, kindly click the subscribe button. Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Experiencing Niger.